Hello and welcome to the My Parish Council Image Gallery Widget training. This is a new feature and allows you to insert an image gallery onto any page. The example I'm showing, I've already created the page itself and I've called it Image Gallery Test. To insert the widget, you insert it like any other widget by selecting it from the drop down of widgets, and I'm selecting the word Image Gallery. You can then see the media browser type functionality appear, so you simply click on that, browse within your media library to the images that you're interested in, click and select. They then appear as previews inside of the widget itself. Press publish, and lo and behold, we have an image gallery within a page. So if you view that, see what the result looks like. Here was that page I created called Image Gallery Test. Here's the two images that I selected, and when I select the image I can now browse through them. Thank you for listening.